So we're going to talk about how to unpack a tuple. Now, we're going to first create our tuple. So we shall have our tuple here called items. So items will have 0, B, 1, 10, 11, 0. Then, to unpack a tuple, what we're going to do, we're going to have to set the number of the variables we shall have to set A, B, C, D, E, F. They should match the number of items in the tuple. So that when we print, let's say F, it's going to print for us 0. So let's try that. Let me first comment out. Please. So now when I run the code, you can see that it has printed out for me 0. So when I say I want A, it's going to print for me also 0, but this time it's going to print for me the number 0. Now, what we can do, let's come here. Now, this code means this, that in A, I want you to store the first item in the tuple. In C, I want you to store the last item in the tuple. Now in B, I want you to store everything that is left. So when you print B, we should be able to see B, 1, 10, and 11. So let's print out and see. So you can see that we have B, 1, 10, and 11. Now, after that, we shall come here to the last code here. So we first comment out this and this. So now here we can see this. This what means that in B, I want you to put in the last item in the tuple. In A, I want you to put the second last item in the tuple. Then the asterisk and underscore, they just mean that just ignore the rest. Ignore all the rest of the items. So when I print out A, it should be able to give me 11. When I print out B, it should be able to give me 0. So when I print that out, when I print out A, you see it has given me 11. So that's how you unpack a tuple. First, you need to have the tuple which you want to unpack and how you want to unpack it. If you want to unpack every element in the tuple, the number of variables that you put should be equal to the number of items in the tuple. Then after that, you can also, what if you want the first and the last item in the tuple, you could use this, or maybe you wanted those items in the middle of the first and the last item in the tuple, you could also use asterisk and a variable. So that's how you would unpack a tuple. Thank you for watching.